Very good morning, students. Welcome to our EVS class. As you all know, we are continuing with transport. Today, we are going to do something special. We will reread what is given in the transport chapter so that we are thorough with the understanding, and according to how we have been practicing in our online classes, I hope that you are able to write things in sentences the way I have asked you to. So let us begin. This is found on page number 7171, chapter number 16, transport. Again, you're going to read it with Neha ma'am. Understand the importance of reading it again and again. People travel from one place to another in different ways. These are called means of transport. They are used to carry things also. They can be used on land, water, or air. Means of transport: cars, buses, scooters, trucks, auto rickshaws, cycles, and trains are means of land transport. Most of these means of transport have wheels. They are called vehicles. In villages, horse and bullock carts are also used for land transport. Like you can see a train and a car, both are means of land transport. Airplanes, rockets, and helicopters are used in air. They are means of air transport. Rockets are used for space travel only. Now let's read here. People learned to make wheels many years ago. This helped them to travel from one place to another. Now when you're going to grow big and going to come into the higher classes, your teachers will tell you, especially in a different new subject called history, how wheels were made by our great grandparents. Okay, an aeroplane, a helicopter, a rocket are means of air transport. Only a rocket is used for space transport. Boats, yachts, and ships are used on water. They are means of water transport. A ship, a yacht, a boat. Nowadays, there's a lot of problem because of air pollution. The vehicles that we drive, our bikes and our cars, also emit some air which is actually dirty. And because of this, people have breathing problems. Okay. Now let's quickly read this. You know the meaning of the word travel, going from one place to another. Rocket, an engine with long round sides that pushes the aircraft up in the space. A yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, remember the yacht spelling, very important. A large boat with sails that is used for trips on racing. People are dashed from one place to another. People, what do? What is written here? They travel. So we have done this earlier also, same way. Most dash of transport have meals. Most land or means of transport, isn't it? It is not land transport. Most means. Here you will write means. Aeroplanes are a means of air transport. Means of transport can be used over land, water, air, all of these. All of these. Which of these is a means of land transport? Boats, rockets, trucks, aeroplane, trucks. Which of these is a means of air transport? Bullock carts, helicopter, auto rickshaw, ship, helicopter. Which of these is a means of water transport? Yachts, trains, buses. It is yachts. Okay. Match. Auto rickshaw is a land transport. Rockets is an air transport, and ships are water transport. Let's quickly do the worksheet which has been given for the day. You know the drill what we have to do. topic is given. Write your section, full name in cursive, your roll number in the box that is provided. Identify the mode of transport and tick the correct answer. Okay. Identify the mode of transport and tick the correct answer. A option is air transport, land transport or water transport. It is air transport. This is a taxi. This is a police vehicle. It is a land transport, air transport, water, land. Write the number of wheels in the following vehicles. Car have 4 wheels. Ship have no wheels. Scooter has 2. Auto rickshaw has 3. Understood? You need to use your common sense while doing this. 2 means of transport used in villages. You can write bullock carts and what else? Bicycle. 2 means of transport from going to other countries. Aeroplane and even ships takes you from one country to the other. Means of transport, you need to write air, land. You should start with land, air and water. Identify the name. This is question number 4. Identify the name and name the means of transport with the given clue. A very large boat is called a ship. It runs on railway tracks, trains. We are all missing all of this, isn't it? Draw a vehicle you have at home and you need to write the name of that vehicle also. Please, dear students, complete this exercise. Very easy. We complete our means of transport for the month. We have finished, okay? And how we are going to proceed in the month of April, we will be informing you in the online class or in our groups. But please follow the instructions and learn the spellings. This is the time for you to take studies easy, but do study, okay? See you back in the next class. Bye-bye.